So, why a big email list is killing your business and what can you do about it? So, everyone says the bigger your email list, the better. But what if I told you that keeping too many subscribers could be destroying your open rate, damaging your reputation, and costing you real money every single month? So, in this video, I'll show you why trimming your list might be the smartest move you can make all year. Welcome, my name is Janice. So, email marketing it remains one of the most powerful tools for engaging with your customer, right? For promoting your products, for nurturing relationships. However, the success of any email campaign is going to depend heavily on the quality of the list rather than the quantity of your subscribers. So, one critical practice that many business overlook is the regular removal of inactive users and subscribers, right? Are those who have stopped opening, clicking, or engaging with your email over a specific period of time. Typically, we're talking anywhere between 3 to 12 months. Now, you're going to continue to send emails to these users, and if you do, it can damage your email performance and business reputation. So, this particular episode is going to explore strategies for removing inactive users from your email list and how doing so can improve your marketing efforts, right? So, the first thing we want to talk about is it's going to improve your deliverability and your sender's reputation. So, the email service provider, whomever you're using, they monitor your behavior closely. And if you're consistently sending email to users who do not engage, they're going to classify your email as spam. And a high volume of ignores or delete emails can lower your send reputation, resulting in reduced deliverability for the entire list, even for your most engaged subscribers. So, by cleaning your list of inactive users, you signal to your email provider that your messages are relevant and welcome and that they're helping, right? By reaching your subscribers and not their spam box. Okay, the number two thing is you're going to increase the open rate and the click through rate. So, email engagement metrics, show those open rates, right? So, by keeping inactive users on your list, it artificially lower those rates, making it much difficult to measure the effectiveness of your content. So, when you remove disengaged subscribers, your metrics become more accurate, providing clear insight into what resonates with your audience and allows for better strategic decision making, which is what you want. Number three, it's going to save cost and resources. Now, many email marketing platforms charge based on the number of subscribers on your list. So you're going to continue to pay for inactive users who bring no value to your business. That is a waste of resources. So removing these subscribers allow you to stay within your lower price tier and optimize your marketing budget. Additionally, your team can spend more time focusing on segmentation, content creation, and nurturing the subscriber who actually engage with your brand. All right. Number four, protect your brand reputation. So, sending unwanted emails to users who are no longer interested can create a negative perception of your brand. It may lead to increased unsubscribes or worse, spam complaints. Okay. Both outcome will hurt your ability to build trust and reduce your credibility in the eyes of new or potential subscribers. So, a small, more engaged list enhance brand loyalty and encourage positive words of mouth. All right. So, number five, we want to focus on quality engagement and re engagement strategies. Removing those inactive users doesn't mean abandoning them entirely, right? Before purging them from your list, it's wise to run a re engagement campaign to win them back. Those who respond can be added back to your active list. Those who do not demonstrate interest can then be removed confidently, knowing they are no longer interested, all right, or find value in your content. So, maintaining a healthy and a responsive email list is going to be essential for effective marketing. Removing inactive users is going to help protect your deliverability, improve engagement metrics, reduce unnecessary costs, and preserve your brand integrity. Okay, so instead of focusing on how many people are on your list, shift your attention to how many are actively listening. A clean list is a much more powerful tool and it keeps your message strong and your insight sharp and your business growing, which is what you want to happen. Okay. Now, on this particular channel, we focus a lot on email marketing. It is one of our staple topics, and we want you you to be successful. We don't want you to be relying on your social media platforms as your only way of actually engaging with your audience. We want you to be able to reach out and touch your audience at any time you like, okay? And the only way you can do that is if you build your email list. Now, I've been listening to a lot of very smart people regarding how the new algorithm is really working, and how essentially, even if you have millions of followers, that very few of them is actually seeing your stuff because the algorithm is basing your actual content delivery on the interests of those users. So if you're looking at your list of potential followers on your social media platform and you're feeling really proud of yourself, I don't want to be the one to bust your bubble, but I want you to realize that those people probably are not seeing anything that you're posting on a regular basis because their interest may be greater in another area. And if that is the case, then that means that your rate in terms of engagement is going to go down. So what do you do after that? What do you do if you realize that you are no longer able to get in front of your actual audience by using your social media platforms? What if you all of a sudden start going from, hundreds of views to two-digit views, 20, 30? What are you going to do? The only thing that you can do is to think of a strategy that has been tried and tested. And I'm telling you, email marketing is that strategy, okay? It is that strategy because it has been proven to be reliable. If you have a product, and I'm talking about a lead magnet, that is of interest to your audience, and they are willing to give their personal information, which is their email address, right, to you, it's valuable. Now, obviously, when you go to someone's email box, that is a very personal thing because you are being invited into their space, right? That means that when they're looking at your information in their email box, that they're not looking at, your information up against the next video that they're going to swipe through, right? That they're focused on the information that you're sending them. So you have their undivided attention in their email box. Now, there are some things that you're going to have to do in order to get them to really engage with you. You're going to have to really kind of make certain that you're using good strategies, like having, interesting um, subject lines, making certain that you are showing or telling them exactly what it is that you would like for them to do. Would you like for them to watch a video? Would you like for them to click a link? Would you like for them to register? Would you like for them to sign up for something, right? So you're going to have to be very particular in how you structure your message. You also want to make certain that you are sending information to people who want it. Now, most businesses have a staple offer. Like they offer this one thing, and then from this one thing, there are like other things that kind of, sprout from it. But you want to know what it is that your audience is interested in. So you want to be segmenting them. You want to segment them so you know what and how they became a member of your particular email list. And if you don't, then you could very well alienate a lot of your subscribers because you're sending them content that they are not interested in, which in any given day is a bad thing. Can you imagine if you're sitting somewhere and you think you're going to be getting one thing, and when you get there, it's a whole different topic, a whole nother conversation going on, and you're trying to figure out, well, how did I get here? Right. And if you are sending emails to people who have no interest, then they're asking that same question. How did I get here? Like, what prompted them to think I was interested in this particular subject? So you want to make sure that you're segmenting. You want to make sure that you're personalizing your emails, right? And personalization comes with, you know, sending an email and saying someone's name, like, hello, Janice, or what's up, friend, like something that will kind of draw them in. And you want to do this on a regular basis. You don't want to just be popping in every now and again, right? You're in a relationship with these people once they are on your email list. And so you want to nurture them. You want to get close to them. You want to build a connection. You see, you want to feel like they know you and you know them. Now, you should know something about them. Like, you should really know something about them, meaning that you should have been paying attention to what it is that they signed up for, and you should have already segmented them into their proper order. Okay. So you want to make sure that you are personalizing the emails and segmenting them, and making certain that you are sending them on a consistent basis. So, in saying that, I want to go ahead and invite you to sign up for our June's challenge. And the June challenge is the 5-day course accelerator. Now, the 5-day course accelerator is a really good way for you to develop a lead magnet that is going to resonate with your audience. And that is going to be key, right? You want an actual lead magnet that your audience wants. So I want you to think about what it is you offer and what solutions you are offering, and then think whether or not you're able to put that solution into a course. Because if you're able to put it into a course, then I can help you do the rest. Okay, we will work through building your course over the next couple of days. Okay, so if that is something that you're interested in, or something that you think you would like to learn more about, then you want to definitely jump into the June's challenge, which is the 5-day course accelerator. Now, if you are not currently subscribed to the channel, we do want to ask that you please subscribe, because as you know, the more people who is subscribed, the more information YouTube have to kind of go out and provide this content to similar or like-minded individuals. Also, please leave me a comment. Please like the video. You know, those are all very helpful things. It's like currency, right, for the digital space. And definitely let me know what kind of content that you would like to see here on the channel. Now, our particular channel and brand is dedicated to email marketing. So if you want to have more hands-on or like demonstrative type videos where we kind of walk through a process, then let me know. Okay, I know I reserve a lot of that for like courses and class time and space like that, because I want to just kind of make sure that you understand or see what kind of information we offer here inside of this channel. If you haven't had a chance to do so, make sure that you go over to thebizstrategystudio.com and check out our new website. On this website, you have an opportunity to click on a couple of different locations that it's going to get you involved in the community. We do have a brand new Facebook page that we are inviting everyone here on the channel to definitely join. And you know, please do not be a stranger. Make yourself known. You know, send me a message, write something into the chat. Definitely go over to Facebook and join the Facebook channel by going to thebizstrategystudio.com. That is where you can find all of the information about all of the challenges that we have going on, about registering for the 8-week cohort, which is a 8-week course where you will earn a certificate as an email marketer. This is something that you can take and flip, okay, so that you're able to market on behalf of the businesses. It is 8 weeks. It's very intensive, and it's designed to give you everything you need to know about building a strategy for your email marketing campaign. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Definitely make certain that you sign up for the notifications so that you are aware whenever I drop another video. And with that, have a wonderful evening, morning, night, wherever you are. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.